All right, y'all. Today, we're here at Caesar's Palace. They have already reopened, and I wanted to do it before and after because we've been in Caesar's Palace a couple of times now. I wanted to see just how busy it is, so I'm going to show you some before and after. What's up, y'all? It's Joe Master Lee. The rules for social distancing are good, but I get a feeling most people just aren't following them. So far, most people I've already seen here are not wearing masks. I know for sure all the staff is wearing masks, but most people aren't.
Wait, it says right there, look.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's how they're gonna do it. And hand sanitizer. Okay, give me some. Give me some. You know what they're doing right now in order to encourage people to wear masks?
What?
If you're like playing the games, like table games or the slots, they'll give you $20 free.
No way.
Yep. So just keep walking around playing and they're gonna walk up to you and give you money. That's how much Caesars wants you to wear the mask because they realize most people aren't. Look at this, $20 here. That's $40, baby. That's $40 for us to spend and give back to Caesars by the end of the day. I'm really glad this place is finally open and none of the construction is left and it's very beautiful on the outside. Nobody's inside though, so I get a feeling it's closed, which is a shame because I really want to go in. It looks like it has such an amazing theme going on. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's like a magical secret garden. What are those even hanging in the trees? It's like teardrop lamps that glow, little LEDs in them. I love this lamp. Look at that. It's got an old steampunk goth feel to it. Honestly, this is one of the things I love most about Vegas is that they really go out of their way to create thematic feel to everything. Every restaurant, every casino floor, every spa, every club, everything's got a theme to it. And I wish that sort of mentality would go into so many more places like you go on vacation. Like have a thematic feel, right? Don't just have some sort of generic design. Even if it's a modern design, even if it looks cool, the whole idea is to come up with a theme that feels like it's a fantasy. It takes you away. That's just my take. Yeah, you know, what do I know? I know. Feels very depressing comparing what Vegas was like in its prime last year compared to what it is now. But one thing I will say I love is that parking is free. And this here is our free parking dance. We used to easily spend over $20 on parking every time we come to Caesars. So I realize Caesars right now doesn't exactly look like it's happening, but there's still a lot of fun here. So while the excitement may not be buzzing in the air, the one thing that is nice is that there are a lot less crowds. And as you can see, gambling is going on strong here. And that's one thing I know that will never change, is that Caesars is great at taking my money. Although I did walk away with 10 cents, which I would rather think of it as I'm reinvesting back into my city. Yeah, that's a ticket.
Quiet.
Dorado y blanco. Who's performing tonight? Mariah?
Mariah Carey.
I thought Celine Dion was performing here.
Next weekend.
Next weekend? So what do? They like change the stage in a week or something like that?
No, the stage stays the same.
Oh, the stage stays the same.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They just changed how they decorate it, or the decor of it.
Okay.
Mariah's last show Saturday.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh.
Bags off your shoulders, please. Cell phone, money, cent keys out of your pockets.
this way. Just use your hand. You're Filipino, you use everything with your hands.
It's like an Asian pizza.
While Caesar's Buffet currently is not open, which is a real shame because it really is one of the best buffets here in Vegas, the ever dependable food court is open. However, only about half the stalls are open. So if overpriced food court fast food fare is what you're looking for, you have about half the options right now. Alright y'all, hope you enjoyed this before and after comparison. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more Vegas misadventures from us. Peace out.